Good morning, students. Welcome back to e-learning programs. Dear students, today I discuss about fractional number part 3, exercise 33 for class 4. In previous video, I teach about types of fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions, and unit fractions. All questions based on these types of fractions. But today's I discuss about how to convert into mixed fractions, how to convert into improper fractions, how do you write in fraction form, division forms. Today's related this type questions. So dear student, first of all, unit fractions. How to choose unit fractions? Students, you know that in previous classes I teach about a fractions whose numerator is 1 is called unit fractions. Numerator is 1, that is called unit fractions. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 7, all are unit fractions. Any dots? Now, next, write into improper fractions. Dear students, first of all, write into improper fractions. 3 upon 1 by 6, 4 upon 1 by 3, 5 upon 2 by 7. All are mixed fractions I teach in previous classes. But convert into improper fractions. How do you convert? Dear student, first of all, you multiply 3 and 6. 6 3 is 18. A plus 1, 19. Why 6? This is improper fractions. Next, 4 3 is 12. 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 by 3. 5 7 is 35. 5 7 is 35 plus 2, 37 by 7. Dear students, we convert into improper fractions from mixed to improper fractions. You see, this is improper fractions also and also. How? Numerator is greater than denominator, that is called improper fractions. I teach such type problems. Now, write into mixed fractions. Next topic, write into mixed fraction. Dear students, first of all, I have taken some examples. 10 by 3, 8 by 6, and 23 by 7. All are improper fractions. At first, you divide 3, 10. 3 3 is 9. 1. Dear students, you write here 3 and 1 convert into remainder, convert into numerator, and quotient convert into integral parts. 3 upon 1 by 3, that is mixed fractions. Now again, students, divide them. 3 3s are 9, remainder 1. 3 is denominators, which divisor is denominator, and remainder is numerator, and quotient is integral parts. Now similarly, 6 1 is 6, 2. Here write down 6. Here write down 1 and 2. 6 1 is 6 plus 2. That means 8 by 6. Now again 7 divided by 23. 7 3 is 21. Here 2. Students, first of all, 7 is denominators, clear, and 3 is integral parts, and remainder is numerator. That's okay. You convert into check your answer. 7 3 is 21 plus 2 23. Your answer is absolutely right. I hope that you understand. Convert into mixed to improper, improper to mixed fractions, because this is the very important topics. Not only read in class 4, in next classes such type problems comes in front of you. So clear, right, into improper to mixed fractions to improper fractions. That's all. Next type questions. Write the integral parts. Write the integral part and fractional part. Write the integral part and whole part in mixed fraction. Dear students, I have taken some examples. 3 upon 1 by 3, 4 upon 1 by 5, and 7 upon 1 by 3. Dear students, this is all are mixed fractions in front of you. You know, here 3 upon 1 by 3. First of all, you read how to read. 3 upon 1 by 3, 4 upon 1 by 5, 6 upon 1 by 3. Integral parts. Here at first you write down integral part and fractional part. Fractional part. Fractional part. Dear students, you know, integral parts, that means whole parts. 3 is integral parts and 1 by 3 is fractional part, because you know 1 by 3 is fractional parts. Remember, in first part of fractional numbers, 1 by 5 is fractional, rest is integral parts. So you write down here 4 is integral part and 1 by 5 is fractional part. 7 is integral parts and 1 by 3 is fractional parts. No dots. Dear students, now next questions. Write each of the following as a fraction. Dear students, 9 divide 7, 4 divide 3, 5 divide 2. This is the form of division. This is the form of division. Write into fractional. So 9 is numerator and 7 is denominator. 4 is numerator, 3 is denominator, 5 is numerator, 2 is denominator. This is the fraction. Now last topics from these chapters. Write each of the following as division form. Division form. Dear students, dear student, seven by 3, 9 by 2, 2 upon 1 by 4, and 8 by 8. So, dear student, all are present in fractions form, but your questions write in division form. So, at first you write down numerator 7 divide 3 and 9 divide 2. Here, this is not coming in proper fraction. This is mixed fraction. So, at first you convert into improper fractions. 4 to the 8, 1 9, 9 by 4. Then you convert into division form. That's okay. Here, in this way, your all topics related with fraction in. Dear students, I hope that's all topics clear. Please, exercise 33 completed. If any problem, ask them. Thank you, students.